Are you struggling with an error while trying to import your SQL database? It can be incredibly frustrating when you just want to get your work done. Today, we're going to tackle the error 1030 at line 25 and help you get back on track. I completely understand how annoying it is to encounter errors when you're just trying to import your database. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar issues, especially when working with SQL on Ubuntu. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently reported, "I'm trying to import SQL to my database on Ubuntu, but I keep getting error 1030 at line 25. They shared their command and the error message, which is a common hurdle for many. So what does this error mean? Error 1030 typically indicates a problem with the storage engine, which can stem from various issues like corrupted tables or insufficient permissions. Understanding this will help us find the right solution. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help prevent this error from happening again in the future. To address the error the user encountered, we will first check the MySQL storage engine settings. This error often indicates an issue with the storage engine configuration. Next, the user should ensure that the InnoDB storage engine is enabled. If it is not, they may need to modify the MySQL configuration file. After making changes to the configuration, the user needs to restart the MySQL service to apply the new settings. Now, the user should attempt to import the SQL file again. This time, the import should proceed without the previous error. If the error persists, the user may need to check the SQL file for any corruption or issues with the data being imported. Fun fact, did you know that MySQL was originally developed by a Swedish company? It has come a long way since then, but errors like these can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered a similar error and discovered that their server's hard disk drive was full. They were unable to truncate a table through their web script or MySQL workbench. After deleting some temporary files, they were able to successfully perform the truncate operation. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking if the database test project already exists before importing. They encountered the same error after a failed attempt to drop the schema and delete its directory. This user found that dropping the existing schema and removing its directory resolved the issue for them. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One alternative solution is to check your MySQL error logs. The user found warnings indicating a tablespace issue. They resolved the problem by dropping the problematic database. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution comes from another user who faced the same error. They managed to resolve it by commenting out certain configuration variables. Although they couldn't pinpoint the exact cause, they suggest that one or a combination of these variables might be responsible for the issue. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly back up your databases and check for corruption. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the error 1030 and get your database imported successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.